So, Irene Sumida, what is the Fenton magic formula?
Oh, we're still trying to figure that out. This is something brand new, never done before. We have got 2 conversions, and even our startup is more or less like a conversion. So this is the first time we've had true startups where we have had to recruit students and start from scratch. So this is a new venture for Fenton, and I feel the eyes of the world are on us. Can Fenton do this new piece? We've done conversion well. We've done turnaround well. We've done getting off the year-round calendar well. But now, can we do this well? And I think so. The magic formula is great teachers. Great teachers.
And there's a line of parents out in front, and they think they've come to the right place.
Yes, they were very surprised. You know what? We gave them water because it's so hot. They were very surprised. They asked me how much it cost. I said, no, help yourself. Oh, this is very new. This is different.
Yeah.
The magic formula, treat people well. Treat people with respect and welcome them. Show them how much you appreciate that they have faith in us to educate their kids.
What's this interesting partnership that you have with Yale in developing the idea of the leadership curriculum?
The partnership with Yale began in January 2010, and the Los Angeles Times will be here, not next week, fortunately, the following week, with a photographer to interview our counselor and her therapy dog Jeter, who was adopted from North Shore Animal League near Yale. And the concept is really to build calm, confident, caring students who are confident enough to become the next leaders of the world. Who knows, we may have the next leader of the free world right here in our midst.
So what would be a great success for you here in Sun Valley, Irene?
It would be to fill this school, to have the parents just feel really good about what we have done in their community and want us to do more, want charter schools to do more in Sun Valley, to see it as a real choice for their school, for their children.